from now. Everybody, are you ready for Earth Hour?
Yeah!
Are you ready? I can hear you.
Yeah!
Okay, technical team, are you ready for the shut-off? Thumbs up. Makati Police, are you ready? Makati Fire Department, are you ready? Environment Partners, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40. Makati City, everyone, come join us here at the Adam Triangle Gardens for Earth Hour 2010. And we continue our countdown at 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. I can hear you.